Hello, I'm speaking in an extended virtual reality studio based in Mobile World Congress, and I'm going to be speaking by the miracles of technology to people based in Cambodia, or more specifically, Smart Axiata. And we're going to be talking about the key for FWA business case success. So Andre, let's start off with you. Good to meet you.
Hi, my name is Andrei Kuzin. I'm a Chief Technical Officer of Smart Cambodia, Smart Axiata.
Okay, and how you must have an excellent network to support a successful FWA service, don't you? So how did you manage to build that?
As Cambodia's leading mobile telecommunications operator, Smart Axiata is always at the forefront of mobile technology advancement. For our FWA network, together with our strategy partner Huawei, we used AT8R to roll out the basic fixed wireless access network, and we deployed latest massive MIMO at high capacity at areas based on network requirements. Last year, Smart Axiata cooperated with Huawei, introduced innovative IMB, which is intelligent multi-beam solution, which provides more than twice the gain compared with AT8R. It was the first large-scale commercial use of IMB solution in the world, I think. So in Smart Axiata, we're using latest technologies and building the excellent network to support fixed wireless access user. We have fast-growing user base, and we are trying to ensure user experience this way.
Okay, I think you touched on it there, but let's expand a little bit more. What did Smart Axiata do to manage FWA user experience?
Smart Axiata always committed to bring excellent broadband services and experiences to users. So firstly, we deployed industry-leading massive MIMO technology to provide best network, just as I described earlier. Secondly, we leverage fixed wireless access suite from Huawei to help roll out the WFA service and manage user experience in an agile way. WA Suite solution is an intelligent solution that enables automatic fixed wireless access service provision. It provides reliable pre-evaluation for network throughput and coverage, and post-evaluation for proactive user experience management to reduce churn rates. For example, the fixed wireless access suite uses intelligent algorithms to build a network spectral efficiency library, such as snapshot for the network coverage and capacity, which can be used to evaluate data package based on user location online. Also, for the post-sales, we know wireless network status changes dynamically, so the network configuration needs to be changed timely to guarantee user experience. WA Suite builds an intelligent decision model for deterministic model with network parameters adjustment based on the continuous learning for the massive network data. And it can keep on iteratively adjust parameters until the settings converge to enable the best user experience for specific scenarios. The network performance is maximized and user experience is improved greatly as a result of this. So during smart initial tests and trials in the capital city of Phnom Penh, network experience improved by approximately 12%. The whole process of iterative optimization for the whole city took only 7 days to complete, which is far lower than any other traditional optimization methods.
Okay, thank you for that detailed answer. But what about your future plans for FWA? You've done a lot so far, but what's going to happen in the future?
Technically, we are ready and well prepared to deploy 5G technology because that's, we think, where the future laid. So we successfully completed this 5G trials back in 2019. Smart is ready for fast-tracking the rollout of the commercial 5G network at scale. Within a few months of receiving green light from the Royal Government of Cambodia, Smart will be able to offer 5G commercial services to consumers at the strategic geographies to align with the desire of the Ministry of Post and Telecommunications of Cambodia and Telecommunications Regulator of Cambodia, as well as the Royal Government of Cambodia. However, mobile network operations will only be able to roll out this technology once they have been granted the 5G license, as well as the sizable spectrum for 5G by the MPTC and TRC. Sizable, it means around 100 megahertz of spectrum. We do understand that MPTC and TRC are still finalizing the draft sub-decree of spectrum management. We are happy and ready to be working closely with MPTC and TRC for the benefit of the Kingdom of Cambodia and its people. Government's favorable regulations play a critical role in terms of how it stimulates innovation and incentivizes investment and reinvestment into superior digital infrastructure. So looking ahead with 5G increases, the inclusiveness of broadband connections, we plan to leverage FWA products and services that contribute to Cambodia's digital economy. Use the power of communications to make a better connected world.
Thanks, Andrei. It's been a pleasure speaking to you on what is clearly a very innovative FWA project. Thanks very much. Now I'm joined by Mila Kusheva. Hello, nice to meet you. Maybe you can just tell us about yourself and what you do at Smart Axiata.
Good afternoon. My name is Mila Kusheva and I'm Chief Commercial Officer of Smart Axiata in Cambodia. Nice to see you.
Right, okay. So what could you share with us in terms of the key factors that make Smart Axiata a success for FWA?
Very good question, because fixed wireless access was one of the fastest growing services in Cambodia even before the COVID outbreak, and respectively it was majorly accelerated after the outbreak hit the kingdom. And there are three fundamental reasons for that. First, this is optimal investment. For wireless, we don't need expensive cables, installations, last mile, which makes it much more effective from operator side, and this allows us actually to offer very attractive proposition to the end users. Second, which is related, of course, to the first, it's a short time to market. Compared to the fixed solution, there is no need to spend lots of time in engineering deployment. We just provide CPE and SIM card to the end user, and service is available literally in 1 minute. And last, but actually definitely not least, maybe this is the first, this is the quality of experience. Because with LTE evolution technology, we can provide literally fiber-like speeds, very comparable, and in many cases better than fixed connectivity. Thanks to all these three factors, we are happy to share that our smart home is well recognized from the users as affordable and convenient service. And we managed to grow our customer base for more than 100K in 2021. And we are available in 20 out of 25 provinces of Cambodia, which is also a factor for us to be quite successful.
Well, thank you very much for that. It's very fascinating what you're doing there, but I'm going to ask you another question, and this is about how you implement FWA agile service provisioning.
In Smart Axiata, we have two principles that we are following for all of the services: mobile first and end-to-end online digitalization. And this is 120% applicable for fixed wireless as well. Practically using Huawei FWA Suite, we manage quickly and quite conveniently to integrate our self-care app, Smart Now, with the service. Or through the self-care app, our customers can check the coverage, can check the throughput, and even place completely digitalized end-to-end online service request. We manage the delivery of the end user device, delivering to their home. And from that moment, there are only a few clicks and the service is available. We were aiming for fast plug and play, less clicks and less actions needed from the customers, and we achieved it, which was extremely important, especially during lockdown period when we were avoiding to the maximum extent interactions between our delivery teams and customers.
Okay, so it's clear you've already achieved a lot, but what are your expectations for the future of Smart Axiata FWA service?
In Cambodia, the vaccination rate is among highest in the world, thanks to the successful program that was implemented by the government, which puts quite high expectations about economy recovery and GDP growth. Some of the international investors are claiming up to 5% expected growth for 2022. And Of course, if the economy is recovering fast, the need for connectivity and home and business internet is growing as well. This having in mind the fact that in Cambodia, the fixed connectivity for the home is not very high, puts us in a position to be prepared and ready with even better proposition in terms of speeds, and to be ready to serve even more demanding customers as a small and medium enterprises in the Kingdom of Cambodia.
Okay, thanks very much. It's been great speaking to you from Barcelona. Thank you.